ISRO achieves major success in space. Dedocking of SpaDeX satellite's successful Gaganyaan mission will get strength. The SpaDeX mission was launched on 30th December 2024 with ISRO putting into orbit two satellites, SDX-01 and SDX-02, to test docking and separation technology in space. These satellites were successfully docked on 16 January 2025 and now on 13 March 2025 at 9:20 am, ISRO succeeded in separating them in the first attempt. Let us know what the whole news is, and you are also requested to watch the video from the beginning to the end because this video is going to be very interesting and informative. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. The Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, on Thursday successfully dedocked its SpaceDeX, space docking experiment, satellites, a feat that paves the way for future moon missions, human space travel and India's own space station, paving the way for future missions to the Indian Space Station, Chandrayaan-4 and Gaganyaan. What is SpadeX mission? The SpadeX mission was launched on 30th December 2024. Under this mission, ISRO had put into orbit two satellites, SDX-01 and SDX-02. The chaser will capture the satellite target and dock with it. They were intended to test the technique of docking and separation in space. On 16 January 2025, at 9:20 am, ISRO successfully separated these satellites in the first attempt. In the coming days, ISRO will conduct more experiments on these satellites, which were controlled from ground stations in Bengaluru, Lucknow and Mauritius. Why is this achievement special? ISRO said it was an economical experiment which would prove very useful for India's space missions in the future, and this technology of docking and dedocking in space will play an important role in India's space station building and human missions. India becomes the fourth country in the world. ISRO said the technology is essential when multiple rocket launches are needed to accomplish the objectives of the same mission, making India only the fourth country in the world to have this technology, only after the US, China and Russia. How was this undocking mission successful? Actually, this mission included two satellites named Chaser and Target. In the first stage, the Chaser satellite successfully docked the target. Now during the undocking, ISRO carried out a complex process in which the capture lever was released. The decapture command was also issued. Then finally the two satellites were separated. This technology has been developed by Indian scientists so that in the future it will help in complex processes such as repairing satellites in space, refueling and removing debris. What will be the benefits of the success of the mission? With ISRO's success, India has become the fourth country to have successfully carried out space docking and undocking technology, which till now was held only by the US, Russia and China. This technology will help India in adding modules in space in future and setting up the Indian Space Station bus. India plans to set up its own space station by 2035. The first module will be launched in 2028. How will SpadeX be beneficial for future missions? The success of the SpadeX mission has paved the way for manned space missions like Gaganyaan and Chandrayaan-4. ISRO is now developing technology to bring back satellites left in orbit and activate them by refueling them if needed. The success of the SpadeX mission has raised India's stature in the space sector, and India is constantly strengthening indigenous technology and working towards sending Indians to space by 2040 and creating a permanent presence there.
So friends, see you again in the next video with some more interesting facts. If you like the video, then definitely like, share and subscribe, and if you want a video on a particular topic, then tell your topic in the comment box below.